write equation for the linear function whose graph is the following. Okay. Number one is a line that with y-intercept 0, 2 and slope to be -3, 4. Since we're giving a y-intercept and also the slope, so we think about to write the equation of the line using the slope-intercept form, y equal to mx plus b, right? Okay. Y equal to mx plus b, right? Remember to sing that YMCA song, okay? Y equal to mx plus b, okay? So the slope here is -3, 4, and the y-intercept here is 2, so we substitute. Now we're looking for the function. So finally, we're going to replace this y with f of x using this function notation here. So f of x equal to -3, 4 of x plus 2. So this is the linear function. So this is the function notation. Replace y by this function notation. Number 2, the line that passing this point and has slope to be 5. So since this point over here is not the y-intercept point, because the x-coordinate is not 0, so this is not a y-intercept point. So we're going to use the point-slope form to write the equation of the line first. The point-slope form of the line that passing x1, y1 with slope to be m is y equal to y1 equal to m times parenthesis x minus x1. Now we're going to substitute. So we have y minus y1 over here is 4. Okay, remember, this is x1, this is y1. So y1 is 4. X1 over here, it is 6. And the slope over here is 5. So we got an equation for the line in point-slope form. Now let's isolate the y to put this in slope-intercept form. So we're going to distribute this 5 in. So we get 5x minus 30 here. Now adding 4 to both sides, y is equal to 5x minus 26. Finally, we're looking for a linear function. So just replace the y here by this function notation, which is f of x. So f of x equal to 5x minus 26. That's the linear function that we're looking for. Number 3. The line that passing this point and it is horizontal. So passing this point -4, 3, and it is horizontal. So the equation for this line, is y equal to 3. Every point on this horizontal line here has y coordinate to be the same, and they all equal to 3. So now you just need to replace this y by f of x. So f of x equal to 3, that's a linear function. Actually, sometimes we call that the constant function because this number here is not going to change. Now, if you don't graph this, you can also use the point-slope form to write the equation. So when it's horizontal, then the slope will be equal to 0. So you have y minus y1 equal to slope times x minus x1. Then you're going to get is 3 minus -4. So substitute this point and the slope equal to 0 into this point-slope form over here. You get y minus 3 equal to slope is 0, parenthesis x minus -4. Now 0 times anything is equal to 0. So you get y minus 3 equal to 0. So y is equal to 3. Then you're going to replace this y by f of x. F of x equal to 3. That is the linear function that we're looking for. Okay. All right. So that's the end of our lesson today.